Bore Dal Pao. Hello everyone, my name is Clara and I'm going to be teaching our dance class today. So grab a drink of water and make sure you've cleared enough space to dance, and as we carry on through the class, just keep your eye out, be responsible as you can to avoid having an accident. We're going to be focusing a little bit more on technique today, and throughout the whole class I want you to focus on two things. One is your connection with the floor. I really want you to feel grounded and really taking that energy from the floor and using that. And secondly is finding a constant expanding in your body and growing taller and longer and bigger in the space. Okay, let's get warm. We're going to start on the floor and we're going to give ourselves a little massage just to bring our awareness into the body. So find a comfortable place, having a sit down. So taking both your hands to the sides of your thighs and just giving it a little shake from side to side. Good. Just give them a good wobble. And a bit of a squeeze. Good. And same thing with your calf. All the way up and down the length of your calf. Alright, now grabbing that leg and taking it over your other, we are going to gently massage the foot. Just bringing a little bit of warmth into the foot. This is what's going to be our main connection with the floor today as we're standing, so just bringing your attention to your foot. Good. You can either hold it like this or take each finger between each toe if you feel comfortable with that. And we're going to circle the ankle. Good. And then reverse that circle going the other way. Good. Just easing the mobilization into the ankle there. Good. Alright, other leg, same thing. Wobbling that thigh. Holding the foot and circling the ankle. A few times one way and then the other way. Good. Alright, so give them a little shake. And then we'll swing the leg, we'll point and flex our toes. So we're going to do this in stages. So feet flexed all the way up, toes pointing at the sky. We'll keep the toes flexed and point the ankles down. And then when they reach their full point, then the toes. And then reverse. So toes up, keeping the ankles down, then flex the ankles. Okay, we'll do this a few more times. So ankles, then toes, toes, and then ankles. Good. This is going to come in handy later. We'll really work on the articulation through the feet here, working on our strength in our feet. Good. Alright, okay. Let's swing the legs round and hold on to our hands and our knees. We'll just do a happy cat, sad cat. So going right from the base of the spine, tucking our tail under, curving our spine towards the ceiling, and we've got happy cat. Good. And spine towards the ceiling. Time up and release down. Good. Then finding your neutral spine, so your back is parallel with the floor. We're going to tuck the toes underneath us and spreading the weight equally between your hands and feet. We're going to lift the knees off the floor just an inch or two and hold this position. So equal weight between the hands and the feet, engaging in the core. Good. And relax. Good. Rock back. Anything that's feeling a little tension, just ease that out and we'll go again. So back onto your hands and feet, tucking those toes under and lift up. Good, keeping that back nice and strong and straight. Good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. We'll go one more time with that. Here we go. Hands and knees. Tucking the toes. And lift the knees off just an inch or two. Equal weight between the hands and the feet. Good. Really feeling the heat coming into the body now. Good, and relax. We will go one more time. If you would like to take this into a plank now, you can. You can either do a 3/4 plank, keeping a straight line from your knees to the top of your head, or you can go up onto the toes, full plank. We'll hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, keep going, 3, 2, 1, and slowly come down, relax, good. Come into a child's pose here, so sitting the bottom back onto the heels, arms reaching forward, take a few deep breaths, good. Extending from the top of the head, coming forward back onto the hands, tucking the toes one more time, we'll reach our bottom up to the sky, into downward dog, good. Adjust where your hands and feet are to make sure that you're comfortable here. Then we'll pad through the feet, bending one knee at a time. Good. Reaching the heels towards the floor as you have your straight leg. Good. And walking in towards your hands. And roll back up. Good. Take a few shoulder circles here. Back. Good. And forward. Alright, nice. We're going to do one more exercise, introducing a twist to the spine, sticking both arms out in front of us, having a nice gentle bend in the knee. We're going to bend our right elbow behind us, keeping everything still from the waist down. Bending this elbow, reaching your left arm towards the front, twisting back and release. So only twisting from the waist, the elbow leads you to face the back. Good. Like we've got a bow and arrow. Nice. And twist. Reaching forward at the same time. So you've got that opposition from the elbow to the fingertips on the opposite hand. Reach. Good. We're going to softly go between these two places, just allowing the arms to gently come between those two positions, however you feel is nice and soft for you. I take mine round a little bit more. Good. Alright. So we're going to start with a plie and a tendu exercise. If you want to pop your socks on for this one, that's alright, depending on the surface of your floor, because we really want to work on the articulation of the feet here, like we were doing earlier. So yes, let's get going. So feet directly under your hips, toes facing forward, standing up nice and straight, neutral spine, shoulders back and down. Good. And as we plie, bending our knees, we want to make sure that our knees are going over our toes. So, neutral spine, bending over our toes. Okay, so this is our plie. Then we'll stretch, we'll do a rise and come down. We'll do this a few times, really working on our feet feeling grounded in the floor, like we've got roots growing out of our feet into the floor. And as we plie, think about growing taller, constantly thinking about growing and this grounding into the floor. No matter what you're doing, you've got that opposition. Okay, so we'll do plie and a rise, plie and a rise, plie and a rise, plie and a rise. So that's 4 times. Then we'll do plie, stretch, right leg first, tendu out and in. Then plie and stretch, and we'll go with the left, again with the right and then the left. From there, we're going to open out to first position. So that will be our leg. Make sure that you're rotating from the hip, it's not from the foot. Again, when we doing our plie, we need to track our knees over our toes. So as you're coming into first, make sure that you're turning right from the hip here. So just have a go at this and notice if it's coming from the thigh here. Good, both legs. Alright, so once we found our first position, again we'll do our plies and our rise. Really making sure we're engaging the glutes here and we're using our turnout muscles. Knees over toes. Stretch, rise. We'll do the same, 4 of these. Then we'll go plie, stretch, tendu to the side this time, and in. Plie, stretch, up and in. Again on the other side. Then we'll come back into parallel and we'll roll through the feet. So I'll talk you through this now. You'll start by doing a plie, then you will lift to the ball of your foot on your right foot. Then you will straighten that knee, rise up, then coming down the other side, so lowering your right heel to the floor, keeping your left up, then plieing down, heel to the floor and rise. So that's 8 movements we've got. 1, up onto the ball of your foot, stretch that knee, rise, coming down the other side, bend, heel and stretch. Okay, if you want to quickly go through that again, rewind again, and then we'll get going. So you do that from the right foot all the way to the left, then from the left foot all the way to the right. Then we've got 3 tendu, so out, in, out, in. On the third one, you're going to lower your heel, really going through your foot, then point back up and bring it in. And then we'll do that on the other side. Then we will do all of that in first. So this exercise again, from the other way, good. And then our 3 tendus with that transfer of weight. Okay, so I will do it with you, not to worry. Thinking about that grounding in the floor, the articulation through the feet, really working those muscles in our feet. Okay, let's go. So finding your parallel position, nice and tall, imagining those roots out of the feet and growing taller. Okay, ready for our 4 plies and rise. Here we go. Here, stretch and rise and lower. Good. Growing taller all the time. Good. 1 more. Here and rise. Good. Now I've got our plie with a tendu. Really working through the foot there. Good. And out and in. Good. Standing tall. Good. Alright, into first. Good. And rise. As you plie, really squeeze into the floor. Squeeze up. Good. Engaging those turnout muscles. Engage that core when you balance. Up. Good. To the tendus. Plie and stretch. Tendu out and in. Good. Really going through the foot. Out and in. Good. One more time to the right. And out and in. Good. In. Good. Rolling through the feet. Nice and smooth. Then heel up, up, rise, down the other side. Let's do that again. Good. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward. Close. And 3. Heel down. Push back up. And in. Left leg. Out. And in. And out. And in. Good. Heel down. Push back up. Good. In first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. Really growing taller. Imagine like you're floating off your feet. Alright, let's. 1 and in. Really think about sliding through that foot. Heel down. Good. Point. And in. Other side. Out. And in. And out. Make sure you're engaging your turnout muscles. Good. Heel down. And point. And in. Good. Let's get a little shake. Okay, all right. Okay, so keeping those similar ideas, growing taller and grounding into the floor. We're going to do another exercise now. I'll talk you through it and then we'll go with music. So we'll start in parallel position and we'll just bounce, finding the weight in the floor. Good. We'll do this for 32 counts. So bounce, 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 bounce. Then we'll take a big in breath, bending the knees, arms all the way out, reaching up high, and then exhale, arms back down. And as they come down, make your spine just a centimetre taller. We'll do that again, in breath, out breath. Good. Then we'll do a nice, really, really slow roll down, roll back up. So that's tucking the chin first, then the shoulders, each vertebra of the spine, rolling down, bending the knees at the base, tucking the tail nice and heavy down towards the floor, and then roll back up, head is last. So after that, we take our legs out to a second position in our turn out. So it's like first, but we've got a wider stride here. Again, as you plie here, you'll have to take your knees over your toes. Okay, so we go out to second, we take a big plie, keeping a nice long back here, leaning forward, and when we get here, we're going to tuck our spine and roll back up. So we go long on the way down, and then roll on the way up. Okay, we'll do that twice. Then we're going to reach to the corner, so reaching up from the waist again, we reach up and forward, so on those diagonals. Good. Then we're going to do some shakes, and really imagine that you've got something stuck in your hand and you're trying to shake it off. We'll do that a little bit, follow me for that one. Then we're going to do a brush with the leg, kind of like a cloche. And we're going to do this in parallel first. This is just to relax our hip joint a little bit. So as you brush through the centre, you come forward here, you come down through your foot, brush the floor and go backwards. Just this easy swing in parallel. We'll do that 7 times. So forward on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On 7, you'll come forward with a straight leg, bend it into your knee, then bring it down. Same with the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, in, down. Okay? We'll do that a couple of times. Then we're going to do an arm pattern, which I will teach you now. So, you take your right arm, you reach it down all the way up and over, and you have to step over, then step over, bring it in towards your body and up. Okay? So, down, all the way up and over, nice and big, drawing a big semicircle, then face, your palm facing the audience, or the camera. Then you come in and up. If you don't do exactly what I do, that's fine, but really think about being nice and big, this scoop, and then coming up into your parallel position to go on the other side, drawing a big scoop in the air. So that's going on the other side, left, down, all the way up and over, round, and up the centre. All right, bouncing. Growing taller from the head, grounding into the floor. Good. And breathe in. And out. Good. Again. Good. All right, roll down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend the knees and roll up slowly. Good. All right. Stretch out wide. Good. Nice and big in the space. And we'll go forward. And roll up. Good. Again. And roll up. Good. Reach to the corner. 1 and 2 Ready for our cloche. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and in. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry about the height of the leg here. And in. Again. Just enjoy the swing in the hip. Good. And in. Good. Growing taller. Helping you balance. Good. Okay. Arm and wrap and up. Other way. Over. Right and up. Again. Good. All right. Okay, so we're going to do a swing exercise next. So, starting in parallel, lifting the arms up, we'll swing forward. So bending at the knees, swing forward and up. So from the side, our knees will be going bend and stretch. Good. Then we will take our arms out to the side, bend and back up. So you've got forward and through the centre and up. Good. We're going to do that 2 times. Forward and here. Good. Then we're going to release the right arm, and from the waist we're going to tilt to the side, reach back up. So our left arm stays long, drop to the side, back up, then to the left, back up. Good. We drop the arms, bend the knees, and as we stretch, we get ready to start again. So forward and middle, and forward and middle. Good. Then you release the right and the left, and you drop and plie and start again. Good. We'll do that a couple of times. Then from there, your arm's going to reach out really wide to there, and as you do that, from the top of your head, you're going to lean forward. So you've got you come down in a nice flat back position. You've got 4 counts to get to here. Then you hold 5, 6. And then the base of your spine, your tail, really heavy, pulls you back up, and you roll back up to straight. That's on 7, 8. Then you're going to take a little twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stretch up 7, 8 to do the flat back one again. Okay, so swing forward, middle, right, left, drop, plie, stretch, up, repeat. Then we will do the flat back, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5, 6, curve, back up, twist, 6 times, reach up, start again. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, and swing, and up, and center, good, and really feel the suspension there, good, and right. Good, and drop, plie and stretch, again, up and middle, good, and middle, to the right, to the left, and drop, and plie, stretch, flat back, ready, go, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5, struggle 4, 6, roll up, good, and twist, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back up 7, here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold on 5, 6, roll back up, good, and twist, 2, 3, 4, back up, and release, good. Okay, now you know that exercise, we're going to do it one more time, and I really want you to focus on, as just before you're about to do the swing, grow that extra bit taller, so much that that growth is what makes you tip and swing, and feel the momentum when you swing. Okay, one more time. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, teach you a short phrase now, and your challenge will be, after I teach it to you, to figure it out on the other side. So I will teach this to you on your left, because we always start on our right. So I'm going to teach this to you on your left, and then I need you to figure out it on the right. Okay? So take your socks off for this one, because we'll be moving around a little bit more, and find a space. Okay, we're going to start with the left leg tonging forward like before, so forward in parallel. Then it's going to draw a quarter of a circle on the floor to here, keeping the foot in parallel, so the top of the foot will stay facing forward on your big toe. Good, then you're going to reach so much with that toe that you bend on your right leg. You've got this nice diagonal line. Reach with the right hand all the way up and over, back to here. So you'll be in a big second position, but in parallel. So we've reached here. What's going to happen with our legs is you go all the way up and over, and then to here. So you're kind of doing a transfer of weight, but then centre, coming back to your centre. So we go. Tonju, quarter of a circle, reach, up and over, and back out. So your right arm is doing a full circle there to here. Great, then we take our left hand, we clasp our right and we bring it in. So that one I really want you to go, you can breathe out if that helps you. I want you to contract all your muscles here and curve forward, okay? Then from there, we take our left arm out behind us and circle forward. We're also going to do that with our right arm, but they're slightly delayed. So you come in here and you go left, right, in. Basically doing this big swimming motion, but you come into this curved place again. So we'll go vroom, vroom, here. Then you take your hands, you dive them forward on the floor, so you're in a sort of downward dog but with wide legs. Then you lift up your left foot and you're going to thread it through the gap between your hands and your right leg. Okay? From there, we'll take this back knee with our hand in and then push it down so that it's with the other leg. And then we'll hug in our knees. So, let's go from here with a little bit more detail. So, left arm out around the back, right arm out, bring it in. I'll show you from the side this time. We walk our hands forward, good. Lift up the leg and we're going to thread it through this gap, okay? So, left leg lift, through that gap, leg through, in. Okay? Let's talk through counts really quickly. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? And 6. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's do that one more time. Tonju on 1. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Arm 7 and 8. Go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do it with music. Ready? And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we'll leave that on 1 then. So it's a little faster than we marked it through. So we'll give you a little bit more time on the floor there. So come forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, through 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll bring this in on 1. Let's do that a few times through with music, and then I'll give you some time to figure it out on the other side. Okay. Ready? Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hug. Good. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, rewind a little bit, get that detail, and your challenge now is to figure it out on the other side. So starting by tonduing the right leg. Okay, off you go. Okay, so hopefully you figured it out on the right hand side now, and I will do it with you a few times with the music. So here we go. So, tonduing the right leg first. 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, how about you? Yeah, let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Ready? Here we go. And 1, 2, rock, reach, and in, forward, and through. Again, I'm not going to say anything this time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, okay. Good job. Finding a nice comfortable place, lying down on the floor, we'll do a quick stretch. So finding a comfortable place lying on the floor. If you need to fidget or move anything around, do that now till you feel like you can relax into the floor. Good. We're just going to take some nice deep breaths now. So breathing in as much as you can, filling those lungs with oxygen. And breathing out as much air as you can before you inhale again. Good. Inhale. Nice and slowly. And exhale. Good. With every exhale, really feel your weight sinking further into the floor. Like we've been doing all class, imagine those roots growing out of your body into the floor, wherever your body is touching the floor. Good. See if you can notice your heartbeat. Is it fast or slow? As you continue to breathe deeply, can you notice any changes in your body as you become more relaxed? Good. And when you're ready, after your next exhale, you're going to slowly bring your knees to point towards the sky, resting on your feet. Like this. Good. Now really notice the weight of the back of your pelvis sinking into the floor. Good. Taking the arms out to your sides, next to your shoulders, nice and wide. Good. And we're slowly going to rock our knees from side to side, trying to keep our shoulders on the floor. This might be quite a small motion here, or you can take it a little bit bigger. It's up to you. Good. Okay. Now bringing your knees in towards your chest, give them a big hug. Okay, and you can rock from side to side. Alright. Releasing one foot down to the floor. We're going to stretch our right leg. Let's do our right leg. So stretching our right leg towards the sky. Finding a fleshy bit of your leg to grab onto, whether that's the back of your thigh or the back of your calf. we're going to bring it closer to our body. So just allowing the weight of the hands to pull it in gently. Good. And at the same time, the hip pushing down to the floor. So again, having that opposition. Good. On your next exhale, bring the foot slightly closer to your face. Good. And hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax the foot that's on the floor straight. Good. And one last pull in. Relax. Good. Okay. Other leg. So your right knee is now facing up. Your left leg stretching towards the sky. Finding a fleshy bit of your body to hold on to, whether that's your thigh or your calf. Good. Keep that deep breath. Nice. And as your foot reaches towards your head, remember your hip pushing down into the floor so you've got that opposition. Good. On your next exhale, bring it slightly closer. We don't want to be stretching so we're shaking. Just as far as you feel comfortable. Good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Straightening the right leg down to lie on the floor. Almost there. Good. And relax. Lovely. Alright, rolling onto one side and bringing yourself up slowly to a seated position. Good. Okay, we're going to do our glute stretch, same as last week. So, front leg straight in front of you, other leg out to the side, pointing towards the back of the room. Nice and long in the spine, walking the hands forward. Good. I'm going to take 4 deep breaths here. In and out. In, lifting the chest. And as we exhale, relaxing deeper into the stretch. This is our 3rd in breath. Last one. Good, and walking back up. Other way. Good. Nice and tall. Reaching up and forward, walking the hands. Good. 4 deep breaths. As you inhale, slightly lifting the chest. As you exhale, holding in the lower abdominals and relaxing deeper into the stretch. As you finish your 4th breath, coming back up. Good. And we'll come in onto our hands and knees. We'll do a few more cat-cows like we did earlier, including our breath as well as we do this. So breathing out, curving up. Good. As you inhale, looking forward. Good. Just doing this with your natural breath. Good. And tucking the toes, coming up to our downward dog. Make the stride a little bit longer now because we're going to do our roll throughs. So lifting from the heels, then from the base of the spine, rolling forward to a plank. And then we go back, lifting the hips. Lifting from the toes, heels up. Now from the base of the spine. Good, and again. Spinal wave right from the base of the spine to the top of the head. Good. Last one. All right. Okay, let's do a child's pose here and just relax. you're ready, we'll do one little stretch for our arms. Taking the arm across, holding it in. Good. And the other side. Good. Give it a little shake. Alright, thank you very, very much for doing my class today. I hope you had fun, and I will see you again soon. Bye!